Evening class, my name is Jason Woolard and welcome to my screencast for Project 4 in SDI, term 1209. In this week's project I actually didn't find too much difficult. I actually felt a lot more confident this week in starting the project, especially after all the research that I actually put into it and going outside the box, which I felt was the most difficult part, but at the same time it was actually the most fun part. Some things that I actually found easy this week were the flowcharts. That again, because I put a lot of time researching and actually practicing different functions from previous projects as well as this project. And the review with Mr. Lewis this week actually helped me out a lot. So I'd like to thank you, Mr. Lewis, for that. The project that we had this week actually tied in with every other project that we had, which I felt was a lot less stressful. And I learned a lot more out of it this week, which definitely is going to help me out in the long run, as well as some of you, I'm sure. As you can see from looking over here, I actually did spend a lot of time this week and actually instead of doing 6 functions, tried all 12. And you can see my comments, which I tried actually making up some points that I had lost this month in previous projects. I actually feel that the introduction to JavaScript this month will help me a whole lot in future courses. As far as logic goes, it's a huge step in preparation for a lot that we have coming, especially next month in object-oriented programming, visual frameworks, I believe it's called. There's actually a few people I'd actually like to thank. Mr. DeWise, I hope I pronounced that right, and Mrs. DaCosta for the help earlier on in this course. I feel if it wasn't for you two, I'd probably be a lot more lost, and I don't think I would have done it as nearly as good as I have. So again, I'd like to thank you for that. And right now I'd like to thank you guys for viewing my screencast, and I look forward to going all 3 years. Have a good night.